What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Josh back with another video. And on this video, I'm doing a clean hot taper with probably one of the nicest, crispiest lineups you guys ever see on YouTube. And please, after watching the video, like it, leave a comment on it, and please subscribe to the channel. I'm getting a lot of views from people that are not subscribed. Please, if you pass through and happen to watch my video and you like it, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date and hit the notification bell. I hope you guys like the video. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Josh back with another video. And like I said, on this video, we're doing a hot taper. So right now, I'm pinning his hair up. Right here, I'm going to be brushing his hair down where we're going to be doing a taper at, and on his hairline. This is a good prep for your haircut. Right here, I'm going to take my Wahl Magic clips with the #1 guard on all the way open across the hairline to lay that hair down good. So when I come back and do my lineup, it'll be an easy process. Right here, we're going to start off with our first guideline, which is the bald line. And we're going to be using the Cordless Detailer a lot to set this line in. Right here, I grab my Wahl Magic clips all the way open, going up about ½ inch, setting my next guideline. I went over this guideline a couple times to ensure that I cut every hair. Right here, I have my Wahl Magic clips halfway closed, taking out that line. Our next step in this fade will be with our Wahl Magic clips with the #1 guard all the way open, going up about ½ inch. My next step in this fade was closing the 1 guard all the way, hitting that line. And as you can see, I'm not going up as far as I was with it all the way open. Is because you don't want to push the guideline up. Right here, I grab my half guard with it all the way closed, hitting that line. And when you're taking out a guideline, make sure you start under the guideline and go to the guideline to not push it up. So right here, I grab my #2 guard with it all the way closed, going up about ½ inch. And as you can see, the further I get to the top, I start to scoop out. That's to keep it shaped. Right here, I grab my 1½ guard to start connecting the rest of this fade into the 2 guard. Right here, I grab my 1 guard, have it all the way open. Considering that we just used the 1½ and that I already did the 1 guard open, this is to put some detail work in, blending in with that 1½. Right here, we're going to be doing the same exact process that we did on the other side. So I'll let you guys sit and watch. Whatever you do to one side, you're going to do the exact same thing to the other side. As you're watching me do this fade process on this side, I'm using the exact same steps that I did on the other side. This is going to keep my fade balanced and have a symmetrical look. And as you can see right here, I have my 2 guard on, which is going to be the highest guard that I use in this fade. And you might be wondering why I don't cut the extra hair that's up past the 2 guard. It's because that's going to be the hair that sits where the longer hair and the shorter hair meets, so it won't look too disconnected. Right here, we're going to be starting off his neck taper with our ball line using the cordless detailers. And as you can see, make sure you clean up all the hair on the back of the neck for that really clean look. Right here, I'm going to take my Wahl Magic clips with the blade all the way open, going up about 1/2 inch, setting in my net scallop. Right here, I have my Wahl Magic clips halfway closed, taking out that goblet. Right here, instead of having my number 1 guard all the way open, I have it closed all the way because I have more room in the back of the neck to do this fade without pushing it up too far. And as you can see right here, I grab my half guard to take that line out that I put in with my 1 guard closed. And once again, I grab my number 2 guard to set up the highest part of this fade. When I get done fading the rest of his neck taper, I'm going to do something a little different to blend into that larger patch of hair. And right here, I'm grabbing my number 1 guard all the way open to fade into that 1.5. To blend the short hair with the rest of this fade, I'm going to do clipper over comb. And as you can see, when I go up on the head, I go up flat and I pull out at a 45-degree angle, but still pulling out the hair that needs to be cut. And as you can see, I grab my thinning shears to go ahead and thin out some of the hair and blend it without cutting too much hair. And there's a reason why I didn't use any guards to blend this, is because I didn't want to cut too much. And when dealing with guards, you might end up cutting way too much. And as you can see, we started lining him up on the back of his taper, and those cordless detailers are spitting out nothing but crispy lines. Right here, you can see I'm doing the front of his edge up. That line is super clean. If you look at this corner of his lineup on this side that I'm on, you'll be able to see it's a little dark spot right there. So I'm going to grab my comb and do trimmer over comb to hit that dark spot and make it go away. If you rewind this video back a couple seconds, you'll be able to see what I cut away. Using clipper over comb is a good effective way to get out any unblended areas in your face. Right here, we're going to be adding some enhancements to his lineup. This lineup is going to come out crazy once you see what I'm going to do next. And when adding enhancements, you want to add it not too much, but enough to make it look good. You don't want it to look unnatural. As you can see, mine is not that dark. Right here, I got my Babyliss Gold Effects trimmers to line up his enhancements. Right here, I'm just lining it up all the way around, so I'll let you guys see me watch. Right here, I'll add some hairspray to lock in his hair fibers. And I'm going to come back with a towel to wipe off the extra hairspray because it leaves a shiny look on the forehead. This is why his hairline is going to be the most crispiest you ever seen. Right here, I grab my Barber Magic pencil to outline his hairline. To explain what this does, basically, it adds an illusion of an ash line. And this is what I call making that hairline pop. After applying the Barber Magic pencil, you have to smear it in a little bit so it won't look like it's just sitting right there. It's something about Wahl Detailers that blends that line in perfectly. Well, YouTube, as always, I'm finishing out this haircut with my Wahl shaver. I hope you guys enjoyed this cut. Like, leave a comment on it, and let me know what you think about it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on to stay up to date to more dope videos like this. And you can follow me on Instagram at JoshXBarber as seen on the bottom of this video. It's your boy Josh. See you on the next video, and I'm out of here.